Welcome to Bicol University, a home of top-notchers and a haven of knowledge and opportunity nestled in the heart of the Bicol region. Do you ever wonder why a lot of students really wanted to study in BU? Do you imagine yourself as BUeños? Or do you even ask yourself, why BU? Bicol University is renowned for its commitment to providing quality education, fostering research and innovation, and giving professional and technical training. The university was founded in 1969, where it boasts a diverse faculty comprised of highly qualified and experienced educators who are dedicated to nurturing the intellectual and personal growth of their students. BU's commitment to research has resulted in significant contributions to various fields, including agriculture, health, and technology, making it a vital hub for knowledge creation and dissemination in the Bicol region. You have been doubly blessed for choosing Bicol University, a premier state university in the Bicol region that offers quality and world-class education and allows each one to access free tertiary education. How amazing to be called Scholar ng Bayan, right? Now, let's talk about our College of Business, Economics, and Management, which founded in 2004. It is a testament to its commitment, offering a world-class education that prepares graduates for success in the ever-evolving business world. CBEM provides a dynamic learning environment where students develop critical thinking skills, hone their leadership abilities, and gain practical experience through internships and industry collaborations. Our faculty, comprised of renowned experts in their fields, are dedicated to guiding students on their journey to success.
Hi everyone, I am here with you today to interview students from BSBA Microfinance and ask them why did they choose microfinance. Let's go!
To answer that question, syempre, para matanggal ang kahirapan sa Pilipinas.
I just want to ask you why microfinance? Because I want to be a bank manager someday.
I chose microfinance because I want to help poor people. As someone who was from rural areas, I want to reach rural areas to help them, especially like microfinance insurance, the benefits of. Oh my God! Ano yan? I really do want to help poor people because they are close to my heart. Yun lang. Thank you. As someone I really want to help poor people. Yes, that's all.
Hello, I choose microfinance because I want to give financial services to the poor. Thank you.
In the university, our social skills were developed as the university enhanced not just our confidence but also the character and passion that we have. It empowers us to show ourselves and create a difference. They always say that BU is not really for the weak. No, it's just that BU teaches us to deepen the meaning of our existence and bring out the potential that we have. The goals were clear for us microfinance students. We should focus on gaining a deep understanding of the field and developing the skills needed to contribute to the growth and success of microfinance and make a positive difference in the lives of future clients. Bicol University always has an event that made our college life more memorable. Participating in all of the events allows everyone to make them easily form a bond with each other. BU Hataw or BU Week is just one of those activities that will make us forget the stress and frustration we had as college students and let us be having an enjoyable experience as BUeños.